Hey guys, the Darkest Shore just came out and I wanted to make a quick video and show you guys how to upgrade the Ripsaw. It's actually really easy to do. I'm going to show you guys how to pick up two parts. You have to pick up the saw blade and also the handle, and I'm just showing you guys from spawn kind of the direction you want to start heading to get to those parts. From the beach, you want to head towards the bluffs and then towards the U-boat area. There's going to be some doors that require power. From here, you can head around here towards the Bunker 3 area. Once you get that open, you're going to see a zombie sitting on the ground and he's going to have a saw on his head. Now, from what I understand, this saw part here is always in this same location. It's right next to the pack-a-punch. Once you come up these stairs here, he's going to be straight ahead, sitting on the ground. Just pick that up. It's going to let you know that you got the blade part. Now you want to head to the U-boat pins area of the map. This is like the underground area where the submarines are. This is where you're going to find power and also the buildable table for the Sawgun. The power was right there on the right, and the buildable table is right across from it. Very easy. You can place the saw blade there, and then you want to go find the handle. The handle part is in the overlook section of the map. There is a giant flat gun up there, and this is going to be either on this cot right here, or the other place it could be is on a table across the room. Now there could be a third location, but I have not seen that yet. Now you want to head back to the U-pin area and put the handle on and go ahead and build it. Now it's going to cost 2,500 jolts to be able to pick up this Sawgun, so if you got the money for it, go ahead and grab it. Now for upgrading it, what you need to do is acquire a fuse from one of the zombies, and you do that by ripping out their spine. So what you do is hold left trigger and then right trigger and then hit square. You're gonna like harvest the zombie and be able to pull the spine out and see the fuse on the end. Now if the fuse is lit up, I believe that's what you can use to put into the machine and start upgrading it. I did harvest quite a few, and when I harvest one with a light on it, there was a red bar that came up on the bottom. Now this map is very new, so we're still trying to figure out like what certain things were, but if you follow these steps, you can definitely get this thing upgraded. I did notice that when I harvest the pest that sometimes I got yellow lights instead of red lights from them, so that might be a step further on in the game. But once I got a fuse, I put it into the Ripsaw area, and then it told me to just, you know, feed souls to that battery and it would upgrade it, and that's what I did, and it did work. It seemed like I fed a little over 20 souls. It might have been right at 20, but like, you know, 20 or 30. And once I did that, it allowed me to infuse it, which upgraded it. And at that point, it only cost 500 jolts to pick up. And now it is upgraded. I do have a saw that I can actually fire off. It bounces around the room and attacks multiple zombies. It kind of has that Hell's Redeemer or Retriever effect, so I thought that was really cool. Was not expecting that from this weapon. Good news is that this does not take up a weapon slot. You can still hold two guns. This is on the right D-pad where the sword was. There's a couple of different ways that you can kill with this thing. You can melee with it, you can shoot with it, you can also do a charge attack. A lot like the sword, it had a charge attack as well. The way you engage the charge attack is that you need to be sprinting, and after you're sprinting, you want to hit the melee, and what that's going to do is pull the Ripsaw up, and it's going to put you in that charge attack mode. It is still possible that there might be some more ways to upgrade this, you know, elemental effects that can be added. You know, we got the 4 Tesla guns, so I'm not too sure. Now, it was possible for other players in my game to go and get it for 3,000 points off of the bench. So I'm assuming that this might be, you know, the maxed out version, but I'm not sure. I went to the pack-a-punch machine just to confirm that you can't throw it in the pack-a-punch machine, and no, you cannot. I don't know if there's a way to increase the amount of ammo or, you know, saw blades that it has. It starts out with 16. I do have an added ammo mod on. I don't think it's affecting it though, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.